A competitive proposal for the opening of companies abroad is Estonia, a country of Eastern Europe, which has characteristics and advantages not unlike those of a tax haven, although not included in any blacklist of offshore jurisdictions. In particular, in order to attract foreign investors, the government of Estonia has already implemented a series of targeted reforms since 2008, especially in the IT field. In this regard, the institution of the E-residency represents a piece of a complex digital development undertaken by the Estonian state. Opening a company in Estonia allows you to benefit from a favorable tax regime if the operational management of the company reflects certain patterns. In fact, if corporate profits are reinvested in the company, without therefore being distributed to shareholders, the income tax rate is zero. In addition, the 20% tax on dividend distribution alone is an advantage especially for new businesses about to launch a new business. Owning a company in Estonia essentially allows you to pay nothing for corporate income tax. However, on the subject, it is necessary to pay particular attention to the tools that the legislator has introduced in the field of international tax law, in order to combat phenomena of an elusive nature, easily verifiable in the presence of multinational businesses or in the event of establishment abroad. The tax provisions on corporate tax inversion are an example of this. It is important that you speak with your tax attorney or other professional before starting any type of tax planning or relocation of your business. Do not hesitate to contact us if you would like us to provide you with the contact information of highly qualified professionals and tax attorneys verified by our network, specifically qualified to help clients in your situation.